We are going to learn about the REST operator in JavaScript, and it is very important. And if you are going for the interview room, so it's also very important, right? So REST, where we will use the REST operator, and to make our code clean up, and you can say writing a better way of a function. It is very important to understand the REST operator, right? So REST a parameter syntax allow you to write some function that will accept an infinite number of argument as an array, right? So it provides you a way to represent there is a concept of variable concept, right? So multiple variables you can uh, add into the varargs, we can say the vararg concept into of a single parameter, right? And you can manipulate that. So some people also says that like it is used to merge a list of functions function argument into an array, right? So better understanding is that like a REST parameter is a better way to handle the function parameter, or we can say multiple a list of parameter, we can also say, that allow us to easily handle various inputs as a parameter in a functions, or infinite number of arguments as an array, right? So with the help of the REST parameter, a function can be called with any number of argument, no matter how it was defined, right? So REST parameter is added in ES6 in 2015, which improve the ability to handle parameters, right? So if you have a list of arguments, so you can add into an array, right? So if you have a list of function arguments, so you can merge it into an array, right? Function here, see, so function is like sum is the function, and we have the spread operator that contains a list of element, we can say, and as an array we can take, and it reduces the previous and current with the arrow functions. It will calculate previous value and current value from the argument, and it will return. Okay, so if you have a multiple list of argument, a number of infinite number of argument as an array, right? So we can use directly to the REST operator, right? So let me enter first, so there is no error, right? Now what we can do, we can make console.log, and we can check some value, right? So if I have some and I have a argument like 3 and 4, right? I have element like this. Okay, so I have entered. So you can calculate 4 1 to 4 is 10, and if similarly if I have 5 element we have, so we can also see it is 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. So this is very good concept of the REST operator. So if you have a infinite number of argument in an array, and you want to do some operations and you want to calculate, so function can contain an infinite number of argument as a array, right? If you have a list of argument, so it can be a array, and we can provide the REST operators using the REST operator, we can call, right? So a function definition parameter can be a prefix of this spread operator, and which cause all the remaining parameter to be placed in the standard JavaScript array. So that is no problem, that is no problem. So if you have let's see, what I'm going to tell you, like if you have a function, right? If you have a function, and this is let's say this is my function, right? And the function contains a, b, and after the operator, if we have many more args, okay, many more args we have, and this function I am going to write like a console message, right? So how we will write? I will write console dot log, and I will pass the I want to check the a value, okay, and then I will okay, console dot log, and then I want to check now b value, right? b like this, and if we have a more element we have, so what we can do, we can copy this one, sorry console, we can write console dot log, and then we can pass this one, right? And what we have, do we have element like this, right? I want to just do some basic operations, like I want to do console over this element, and we can check, right? So let me enter first, yeah, that's cool, and I'm going to call my function, and this function will contain some value like it contain 1, then 2, two, and then 3, 4, then 5 and 6, okay, like this. I'm going to enter. What you can see, what you have seen, I have provided 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So it is taking 1 2 1, a as 1, b as 2, but the rest of the data from here to here, it is taking as many more argument like 3 4 5 6, right? So this is a very good concept, like using the rest parameter. So this is called rest parameter, so that, right? Now a and b is fine, but the rest of the data is a rest param we can say. So this is called rest param, okay? So if you have like many rest param, right? So you can also write the some different rest param, like if we have some function we have, if we have some function like f1 we have, and we are taking like some like argument 1, and then some other rest param like 2, right? And similarly we can take 3, okay? So this will also work fine. Sorry, I have not taken I should take like this, okay? So like in this way you can also write the functions, okay? I have must the rest parameter must be last formal parameter, okay? Sorry, so this, like you have to calculate, what you have to calculate, you have to calculate some value, and then you have to pass. I have to I remember I have taken like f1 f2 f3, so like this, and you calculate the inside the function, and similarly the concept is like that. So if you are if you are writing in this way, this is not a correct way, this is not the correct way. You have to write like either let me tell you, either you can write like this, or you can provide the element like this, okay? The last okay, the last parameter you can only write, the rest will come in the last only. Sorry, 1 1 like this, okay? So you cannot use before the element, this can be only the last parameter we can say, okay? We can write on the last parameter, okay? Okay guys, thank you very much. If you have any doubt, please ping me in the current comment box. I will update you, okay? Thank you.